हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू आवर चैनल रूट्स एंड राउट्स। मेरा नाम है पूजा, मैं रहती हूँ कनाडा में और आज हम जा रहे हैं नायग्रा फॉल्स। सो आई वुड लाइक टू शो यू द डेस्टिनेशंस एंड द अट्रैक्शंस वी विजिटेड इन नायग्रा। प्लीज जॉइन अस ऑन द जर्नी। कम ऑन, लेट्स गो।
ऑल राइट, तो चलो फटाफट से बिना कोई टाइम वेस्ट किए अपने नायग्रा के लिए पासेस बुक कर लेते हैं। इसके लिए वी हैव टू गो टू द नायग्रा पार्क्स ऑफिशियल वेबसाइट. सो दिस इज द वेबसाइट. Once you click on the website, you'll see a lot of details about upcoming events, about the attractions that you can visit, and different kind of passes available, obviously. So yeah, let's go ahead and check out the website once.
Okay, let's go.
Okay, so we have the website. You can check the attractions. Then you can also check the events that are coming up if you want to go and attend some events. So you can definitely buy the tickets from here. For now, we'll go and book our tickets. Let's click. Okay, we have three passes available. One is for $69, then one is for $89, and the highest one is for $109. We'll check out all of them. So let's go and check the first one. So the $69 one is gonna give you access to Vigo bus for 2 days and the attractions like Journey Behind the Falls, the Niagara Take Flight, and the Whitewater Walk. Okay, that's good, but I think I'm gonna buy the second one because I'm gonna be staying in Niagara for like 2 days. So I would suggest the second one is the most useful one and the best because it's giving you an access to Butterfly Garden. So this is the most beautiful garden, I think, because I've heard a lot of reviews about it. So yeah. All right. Again, for the Vigo bus, it's again for like 2 days of Vigo bus, so that should not be an issue. I actually like this pass, so although it's like $20 more than the previous one, but it is gonna give me access to more attractions as well, and I love that. Okay, so I think I this is the most recommended at least. So we have third one as well. This is like a bit costlier because it's like $109, but it's generally recommended for the people who are gonna be staying in Niagara for like more than 2 days. It gives you access to Vigo bus for like 3 days, but no, I don't think so. I don't wanna spend like $109. So I'm definitely gonna go and purchase the second one, which is $89. So this suits me the best. Perfect. So I'm just gonna add it. So here's a summary if you wanna compare it item by item. So you can refer to this summary as well. And we have an annual pass if you wanna purchase that. You can check that as well. तो हम निकल गए हैं नायग्रा के लिए. आई थिंक इट्स गोना टेक अराउंड 2 hours टू रीच. सो स्टे ट्यून्ड गाइस, विल सी यू इन नायग्रा. तो हम पहुंच गए हैं नायग्रा. हमने कार को किया है पार्क इस पब्लिक पार्किंग में एंड दे चार्ज यू अराउंड $10 फॉर 12 hours. सो दिस इज वन ऑफ द बेस्ट पार्किंग स्पॉट्स. लेट्स मूव टुवर्ड्स द फॉल्स नाउ. Look, there is a rainbow. It's so beautiful. It's really nice. That's the US side of the falls, और Canada का side is very massive and it's like huge. It's really beautiful, right? Let's go towards the Journey Behind the Falls now. And they gave us these raincoats. We are ready to go. Let's explore the Journey Behind the Falls. This is one of the tunnels in the Journey Behind the Falls, and look at the water pressure. It's high. So this is the view from Journey Behind the Falls, and पानी का pressure बहुत high है. You can see. So it's like काफी नीचे आ गए हैं. We are very close to the falls right now. वीकेंड की वजह से काफ़ी क्राउडेड है, तो आई थिंक अ लॉट ऑफ टूरिस्ट्स ओवर द वीकेंड इन नायग्रा, बट या इट्स रियली गुड एंड द व्यू इज़ लाइक awesome. So the next stop is Whitewater Walk. Let's board the Vigo bus from Niagara Falls station and we'll see you at the Whitewater Walk. तो हम पहुंच गए हैं Whitewater Walk and as you can see the water current is very high. And there is a beautiful trail, so the walkway is really beautiful. I think it's a must visit place and you're really gonna enjoy. हम आ गए फॉल्स पे वापस एंड नाउ वी आर गोना टेक दिस इंक्लाइन रेलवे बिकॉज यहाँ से व्यू काफी सुंदर आता है नायग्रा का. इट गिव्स यू अ टॉप व्यू, सो विल शो यू. Oh, that's awesome. See the view. ये पूरा horse show दिखाएगा and see the vapors rising. The next destination is power station. It's really beautiful and मुझे बहुत सारे reviews मिले हैं. So let's go and check it out. Was very exciting and they had like a few light shows inside the power station as well. I liked it and I would highly recommend visiting this power station if you are planning a visit to Niagara. तो चलो अब चलते हैं पावर स्टेशन की टनल में जो कि काफी सुंदर है और बड़ी भी.
पूजा तुम्हें पता है ये टनल 120 साल पुरानी है. It's 120 years old. लग रहा है?
Really?
Yeah.
No यार, it's quite maintained and like it doesn't look like 120.
Yes, solid लग रही है यार. It looks quite strong that way.
And it's beautiful also, no? See the colors and the lightnings. They put like rainbow lightings.
It's quite a long walk, but it doesn't seem like tiring. You can take it from here.
Okay, तो हम पहुंच गए हैं टनल के बाहर and this is the view and this is very beautiful. So I'll just show you once. Let's take a look. Good morning guys. Okay, so आज हम जाएंगे फॉल्स के थोड़ा और पास. We're gonna take this gondola ride. इसके टिकट्स हमने लिए हैं नायग्रा फॉल्स से. Let me know in the comment section if you want to know about the price details and the tickets. Look at the view, guys. This is really beautiful, and you are right now standing really close to the falls. तो अपनी राइड ख़त्म करके एंड इतने सारे अच्छे व्यूज़ देख के और बहुत सारी फ़ोटोज़ लेने के बाद हम फाइनली जा रहे हैं बटरफ्लाई गार्डन. सो आई एम रियली एक्साइटेड फॉर दैट. यहाँ पे एक जिपलाइन भी था विच आई डिडंट गो, बट इफ़ यू वांट टू गो गाइस, आई थिंक इट्स अ गुड एक्सपीरियंस. यू कैन ट्राई दैट. ओके, लेट्स हेड टू द बटरफ्लाई गार्डन नाउ. विल सी यू. तो हम अब पहुँच गए हैं बटरफ्लाई गार्डन एंड गाइस ये बहुत सुंदर है. यहाँ पे बहुत सारी अलग अलग टाइप की एंड वेरी ब्यूटीफुल बटरफ्लाइज आपको देखने को मिलेंगी. देखो वो वाली बहुत सुंदर लग रही है. I really like this blue color butterfly. This is very pretty and सिर्फ यही नहीं, यहाँ पे बहुत सारी अलग अलग कलर्स में. एंड यू सी दिस वन द टाइगर प्रिंट. सो ये बहुत सुंदर है, बहुत ज़्यादा सुंदर. सो गाइज आई वुड रेट दिस प्लेस एज लाइक 10 on 10 बिकॉज ये बहुत सुंदर था. इट वॉज वेरी पॉजिटिव एंड यू गेट टू सी अ लॉट ऑफ डिफरेंट कलरफुल butterflies around you. They'll come and sit on your clothes. They might come on your hand. It's really beautiful and I would definitely recommend visiting this place once because you are gonna love it. इसके नीचे हाथ लगा दो. तो गाइज यहाँ होता है हमारा नायग्रा का ट्रिप खत्म. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Stay tuned for more videos. Thank you.